it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Lock's Sword. This puzzle is a level 6 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So the goal of this puzzle is to remove the sword from this burr puzzle. We have 6 of these kind of button-esque pieces. So to start with, these 2 bottom ones should move forward if they're moving back the other way. So like you're pressing them in, that's not the orientation I'm doing. We want them to be pressing forward. So from here we press the 2 bottom ones in and we can lift up. This one will naturally drop down, that's fine. We will move the sword, we'll press that in. This will be a little bit of fiddling, of course. There's a fair amount of movements, I don't really have them exactly memorized, and pieces are just gonna fall on me and all sorts of stuff. So this is up, so we'll push this in or out, I guess. So we can see this is just falling backwards, this is forward, and we will pull up. Now instantly this piece has just fallen backwards and it's kind of gotten jammy, so we'll just straighten that so it's totally straight. We will move the sword. It kind of just naturally pops into this position when you do that movement. So we'll move this piece all the way to the top. And over and up. So now that we're at this position, I'm just going to reset everything. So we can push this back in, we can push this piece back in, and so now we have the sword almost out, all the buttons are flat. So from here, we want to lift this piece up like so, and move the sword into it. Like that. Then with this piece in there, and we'll just pull the sword all the way to the top, or I guess actually we'll set it like this. So that one nub is flush with the black frame and we're into that one piece. We can move these 2 forward, move all 3 actually, and let this piece drop down. Now we will let the sword go down and in, and we will move it over. And then from here, we will move this piece out, up, and over. And we can remove the sword. So all the buttons are flush, so we'll set up our starting position. All 3 of these buttons, one down, this one up and forward, like so. We can now put the sword in. Also pretty cool that it's just got it like on the side. Put it in, over, and let this go in and drop. Move that over. Now we can move this up and let everything flush up. Move the sword forward and over. So the sword's now at the front. We will push this out, this down, and then we can move it up like so, and this piece out. We can from here maneuver the sword down. We press these 2 forward. And then we can get these blocks back into position. they'll kind of move around, as you can see. They're a little floaty. There we go. And then you press in the two bottoms and the sword will fully insert, and press them in, and we're back to the start. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.